Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to CSS comments. Comments are used to explain your code. They can also help you to edit your source code at a later date. Comments are ignored by the web browser. So if you've got comments in your code, when the web browser loads the page, it completely ignores the comments. You can use single line comments or multiple line comments. So I've got my CSS file opened. So the way you insert comment, for example, if you wanted to insert a single line comment, all you need to do is just do a slash, an asterisk, and then the text you want to add to the comment. So I would just say this makes text italic, and you put another asterisk and then a forward slash. So we can see it's ignored by the web browser. So you do forward slash asterisk, the text you want to write, and then asterisk, and then you close it with another forward slash. So this is known as a single line comment. So you can have it positioned anywhere. I can have it there, or I can decide to move it and place it on the side here, somewhere here. It will not affect the code because it's on the right. The only way it's going to affect the code is if I move this beginning to the beginning here and the ending here, and then it will affect that code. You can see this code here is italic. If I decide to move this, for example, if I'm testing something and I want to check for different things, you can see now the italics is gone because I've commented out the entire code. But I can just get rid of that bit and just position the comment here just by the property and the property value. That way it doesn't affect the actual element that is being styled. So that is called a single line comment. So you can use it to describe various parts of your CSS to yourself or to others who may want to look at your CSS at a later date. So if you want to add multiple line comment, all you need to do, you do the asterisk, and then you do the asterisk again, and in between you just type in your text. Just say this is a multiple line comment. All right, so for example here, if I wanted to comment out this entire block of code, I'll just come here, maybe just grab my CSS, put that opening one there, and grab this one and put it here. That will completely comment out that block of code. You can see the effect is affected the element that I'm styling because I've commented out that block. All right, so that's how you add or use a multiple line comment. If you want to comment out multiple lines of code, you can do it that way. So that's basically it on using CSS comments. They can come in handy. I recommend you use them. The earlier you start adopting that practice, the easier it will be on the long run. Then you get used to it. So just comment out bits and pieces of code, anything you don't understand, or if you understand it, you may understand it when you're writing the code, but maybe 6 months down the line, you may come back to your code and may not know what certain things mean. So commenting your code is very useful. Thank you and bye for now.